Peachy and Queenie had a total of $1,650. After Peachy spent 4/7 of her money and Queenie spent $230, they had the same amount of money left. Now this is really the keyword for this question. Okay, same amount of money left. How much did Queenie have at first? Alright, now to do this question, we can draw for ourselves a model. Now, for Peachy, right, we know at the start she had 7 units, out of which she spent 4. So what's left for Peachy? 7 minus 4, this will be 3 units of money left. And these 3 units, right, is the same as what Queenie has left also. Because of this statement here, they had the same amount of money left. So if you were to draw a model for Peachy and Queenie, Queenie in the end will also have these 3 boxes. Peachy will also have the same 3 boxes, but Peachy, of course, we know that she spent 4 units. Okay, and Queenie, we know that she spent $230. So I'm not sure how many units is that, so I'm just going to draw a box. $230, and the good thing is we know the total amount of money they both have at the start is 1650. Okay, so when we take 1650 and we minus away 230, we can get the value attached to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. Okay, so from there we should be able to find how much Queenie had at first, question mark. So 10 units will be equals to 1650 minus 230. 10 units. $1,420. Okay, so for Queenie, we need to find 3 units plus 230. So 1 unit first. And then we proceed to find 3 units. 142 times 3. 426. And final step, 426 plus 230. And we'll get an answer of 656, which is what Queenie had at first.